Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be exploring break and continue statements in C++. So let's get started. Let's first open a compiler. First of all, we'll write hash include iostream using namespace std and then int me. Now, what are break and continue statements? Basically, we use break statement in a loop when we need to terminate the loop when it reaches a specific condition. We specify the condition using the if statement, and then if it meets the specific condition, it breaks. And we use the continue statement inside a condition inside the loop. When the condition is met that we have specified, it will skip the part, it will skip the specific part which I have mentioned, and then it will not terminate the loop. Instead, it will continue the loop, but it will skip only the specific part which you have mentioned inside the condition. Now let's look how to implement it. So for this video, I'm going to keep the example simple itself. So I'll create a for loop which prints numbers from 1 to 10 and will implement continue and break statements. So first of all, I'll write for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. And then inside curly brackets, first of all, I need to specify the condition now. So I'll let if I is equal to 5. That means if I reaches 5, I'll break the loop. So I'll simply write break and a semicolon. And then I'll write what should the loop perform. So the loop should print I and create a new line. Now if I run the loop will only print till 4 because once it reaches 5, it will automatically terminate. Let's check whether it terminates or not. As you can see, it has only printed numbers from 1 to 4 because we have break the loop in between. Now instead of break, if I write it would continue, it will skip the part of 5 and it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, and then skipping 5, it will continue the loop from 6 to 10. Now if I run, except 5, all other numbers will be printed. As you can see, it prints 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it skips 5, then it prints 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is the use of continue and break statement. Similarly, if I want to change it from 10 to 25, and if I put the condition that if I is 25, it should continue. Or if I is 21, it should continue. That means it will skip 21 and it will print all the other numbers. As you can see, when it reaches 20, it skips 21 and it continues from 22. So this is how we implement break and continue statements. So that's a wrap for this video. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like it. Thank you for watching.